Hello, my name is Melissa. I'm with the Top Drawer RVA located in Richmond, Virginia. Today we're going to work together to show you how to complete a faux bleach wood washstand makeover. This project was completed using all Dixie Belle paint products. Colors used for this project: vintage duck egg, gravel road, birch wood, white wax, clear wax, and warm gold gilding wax. Proper prep is essential for any paint project. Before you begin to paint, you need to clean it well. Use a product called White Lightning by Dixie Belle. This product is dissolved in warm water and it cleans your wood piece thoroughly. I painted the base of this washstand in vintage duck egg. I used 2 coats with a damp brush to apply evenly and minimize brush strokes. After my initial base coat had dried, I came in with another brush and a spray misting bottle full of water. I used Gravel Road, which is a beautiful deep rich brown, and I put that into the crevices of the project. Using my misting bottle, I sprayed to blend the 2 colors together. I wanted to highlight the front of the cupboard doors as well as the drawer front. Using flea market decor called birchwood, I used that to highlight and lighten the ombre front. My initial plan for the small washstand was to stain the top in a dark espresso. After completing the base, I wanted to lighten the top and make it look a lot more beachy. To achieve a bleached out faux top, I decided to use white wax. Wearing gloves, I applied the wax in small circles using a t-shirt-like material. I then buffed it straight across in the direction of the wood grain. I wanted the white wax to cover the entire top. I made sure to cover the entire surface around the edges in the front. I buffed it to a dull sheen. Using Gravel Road and birchwood with a tiny small bit of gold, I decided to hand paint a folk art finish on the front. After the hand-painted surface had dried, I used Dixie Belle's Best Staying Wax and Clear with a wax brush to completely seal the entire base of the project. Using Dixie Belle's warm gold gilding wax and a small brush, I was able to highlight the edges on the cupboard doors as well as the drawer front. Want to try your own Dixie Belle paint products? I'm including a link in the bio as well as the comments below. Make sure to follow me on all social media, including Instagram and Facebook, where I post daily and offer you small tips and tricks as well as tutorials.